much you have come. Lord, what have you done? You sent your son from your very own side. He poured himself out, such great sacrifice, to die for sinners, redeem fallen man. You bore our own sins, Lord. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done, Lord? Hallelujah. What have you done? All for Christ. He deserves our all. Brethren, all for Christ. Give to Christ your all. How blessed is the man whose sins are forgiven, whose sins are covered with his precious blood. How blessed is the man with righteousness given, apart from his works, Lord. What have you done? You call us saints, you don't call us sinners. You call us sheep, you don't call us goats. You call us friends, not your enemies. You call us sons, Lord. What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done, Lord? Hallelujah. What have you done? All for Christ. He deserves our all. Brethren, all for Christ. Give to Christ your all. We're waiting on you. Our eyes are on you. We cannot say, no talk, sing or tell. Words cannot capture enough of your word. We thank you and say